Hi guys, welcome to another Meka Makes Minute. I'm going to show you one quick gardening tip that'll help you transplant large plants. For this, you'll just need a pair of scissors and some weed barrier. Roll out your weed barrier above the pot that you're going to be transplanting your tree into. Make sure that you have about 5 to 6 inches left over on the outside of the pot. Make sure that your pot already has the felt inside of it, so you can simply have a partner help you lift it out of the existing pot, placing it into the new pot and removing the weed barrier. You can make sure that your barrier is a level 1 or a level 2. The one that I'm using is a level 1 and it's 3 feet long. So weed barrier is actually good for helping you move your large plants from one pot to the next. The flaps can actually be used to help you keep your soil moist. So simply fold your flaps over onto your plant. If you water your plants often, be sure to put rocks down in your plant before putting your weed barrier in. This will help to ensure sufficient drainage for your plant. This has been another Meka Makes Minute. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.